Hi, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to be discussing managing students within Snap&Read. It's all done at snapandread.com. Administrators can add students as well as teachers. The first step is to go to snapandread.com, click on Manage Students, and then you'll be directed to the location to view the students that have been added, and then if you want to add students, you click on Add Student, and then you have the option to enter the student's email or username, or below, if you have a list of students, you want to get a student activation code, or if you want to import a classroom of students via a CSV file, that's an option. So in this case, I'm going to enter in a student's email address, add them to the license, click Next. I'll see that student's name appear on the left side. The next step is important. Kev needs to go to snapandread.com to accept a pending invite. An email is not going to be sent out. He needs to go to this tool site to accept that invite, and then upon doing so, the student will be ready to start using Snap&Read. And then some icons to point out here on the top. The circle with the arrow will reset the user's password. Edit, change the user's name. If you want to use Snap&Read in testing mode, click the lock button. If you do not want to collect data, go to privacy mode, and then the trash can if you want to delete that student. For more information, please visit donjohnson.com/support. Thank you.